it's Lisa Wigfall here. So we're going to have for dinner tonight some potato leek shrimp chowder. First thing what we're going to do is chop up the leeks. Leeks are in the scallion family. So we're gonna just cut off the bottoms. And what we're gonna do is we are going to gently slice down the middle. Each layer you've gotta get through and clean. Now these are leeks, the vegetables, not like when you spring a leak or your faucet leaks or you can't keep a secret and you leak the information. So I'm gonna do about a half a tablespoon of coconut oil. I'm gonna do about a half a tablespoon of avocado oil. Preheated my pot. I have chopped up already one celery stalk. So we're gonna cook this down for probably about 10 minutes. That's 2 cloves of garlic that I've added in, tablespoon and a half of vegetable. And for people who are vegan, this is vegan. I'm gonna start with 2 cups. Now let's get to the seasonings while that is cooking. Half a teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder today in this recipe, 1/8 of pepper, half a teaspoon of oregano. Looking very good. Let's introduce the potatoes to the party. Organic potatoes, peeled, diced. I'm gonna add in a sprig of thyme also, and we're gonna just allow all of those potatoes, leeks, garlic, thyme, all to get acquainted and chat. Leave it on medium heat. A half a teaspoon of salt. Potatoes are nice and tender. All right, added in a little bit of avocado oil. Let's get this party started. Adding these bad boys in, saute them up, let them turn nice and pink. Oh, they look good. And you see the color has changed. That's how you know your shrimp are done. This will be able to hold all of my soup. I've allowed it to cool. All right, that looks blended up pretty good. And pour it back into my pot. You see, oh my goodness, almond milk soup base to create a nice creaminess. The only texture that we will have today will be the shrimp. I'm gonna just allow the shrimp to kind of marinate just for 5 minutes. This is delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Again, it is potato leek shrimp chowder. Have an awesome day, an awesome week, and remember to live, love, laugh, share happiness throughout your day, and I will see you the next time. Again, subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like and check me out on Facebook. I'm Lisa Wigfall, bringing you happiness for today. Have a great week, and I'll see you later. Bye.